Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad, and today we're going to do the lock that I said we was going to do. Well, you've all picked, you all wanted me to do this, and it was the kick cylinder that Locknoob made. Like I said, he sent about 4 of these out a couple of years ago for a Christmas present to people, for a little bit of fun. So disclaimer, this is not actually an official Locknoob challenge lock. It was just something he put together for a few people to have a laugh, not to be, personally passed around, if you know what I mean. But yes, we use a bullet pry bar. We'll use 2 tension wrenches for this. We'll use a short hook, a pry bar, and a homemade tension wrench. And the reason is, with it being a brand new, even though I've had it a few years, the lock is brand new and the pins are new, and the warding on the side is very slippy. So the only way I can get any decent grip on it is by having a tension wrench in the bottom as well as the top. I don't think I've ever picked a lock with 2 tension wrenches before, so this is a fairly new one for me. Well, let's see how we do. Hope everybody's doing well today. Click on 6. I need to reset that there. Oh. Click on 6. 1, 5. Ouch, got 1. Pinch my finger then. I see that we're all locked up at the moment. This fault set that's trapping us in. Oh, I've got it back again now. So which pin is giving me the grief? One pin has been just trying to find one that's giving the counter. Reset. Oh, drop the tension wrench. I find out which pin's giving me this trouble. So I get a good stern telling off when I actually get it open. Such a default set, but then the reset. I don't know why it's being so awkward, man. I've got that drop again. I want to put this in the bottom. Take the top one out. Oh, it's open. Ooh. What for that? Wow. You make an invertedly, you don't have to make a challenge lock, type of challenge lock there, Ash, mate. Even though it's not a challenge lock, we're open. Right, let's get this sorted out. Even though you made a fun lock. Oh, let's see what Ash put in this bad boy. I'm gonna lock it back up so we don't need it. Let's turn the clip off. 1 second, let this camera tilted so you can get a good view. Sorry about that. Trying not to let the phone fall over because it's camera. Not the camera, but the stand is stupid. Let's get another one again. Let's not lose the spring. Right, there we go. So that's it, 6 pin. That's it. Everything needed to be picked. I expect let me tweezers. I expect this to be standard, as like I say. This doesn't make challenge locks. Nope, nothing in there. Pins are all standard. All the magic will be in these. Let's see what we've got. Number 1. Looks like it's a hollow point in 1. Well, 2 flicked out. There's the bugger that was causing me grief. The pellet. Number 3. We got our another. This is a bullet. This is a hollow point one again. Looks what awesome pins these are. These are great. Our next one, which is trying to push itself out, is another pellet. That's why this lot was giving me so much grief. Number 5, we have our, said there was a shotgun shell in there, didn't I? And we've got one. And then number 6, we have our next bullet. Look at that. Nice. Oh, my daughter's just coming. Oh, mini chicken. So, let's have a good look at these pins. You can see that. So we have a bullet in front. We have a pellet gun. We have another bullet. This is like a hollow point. Then we've got another pellet with a serration on it, which is right pain. Next level is slightly different. Shotgun shell, and we have another bullet. These ones are hollow points. Nothing that, and that one is, yep. Absolutely crazy, fantastic design, brilliant fun lock there from Locknoob, Ash I should say. But yeah, I hope you found that interesting. We finally got it open. That video was like 13 minutes long. My daughter now is bringing all her stuff in so she can come and sit next to me and find something to do. So, thank you very much, Finn. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.